Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. Today I have three pledgers, and I'm live in Mrs. Gore's classroom, and my pledgers' names are... If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and join Enya, Emily, and Alice as we do our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation. And now the Texas Pledge.
Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Jura lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos y a la república que representa una nación ante Dios indivisible con libertad. Y ahora la bandera de Texas.
Juro la bandera de Texas.
La fidelidad a ti.
Texas, un estado, and Dios indivisible.
And would you please remain standing for a moment of silence? And you may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please find a trusted adult and let them know how you feel. We do have a couple of happy birthdays. We do have one happy birthday today. Happy birthday to Jacob Avila in 5th grade. We have a lot of announcements today. Please remember that we take attendance if you are testing to avoid using the computer. No subs or non-certified staff in your room. Be mindful of students in restrooms by these locations. Also, staff, please remember that nurse may send a message about a service currently available. This is Music in Schools Month, so please see the fun challenge from Ms. Sims. It's also Happy School Diagnostician Week, so please make sure you thank Ms. Wynn. We have TELPAS for virtual students, 2nd and 3rd grade reading and writing sample number 4. Also, today is PTA rodeo pictures. And a very big announcement, please do not use the main staircase. We will be testing in the in the computer labs, and all of our cowboy boots are very loud on the stairs, so please use the back staircase because of testing. Also, today is Happy Texas Independence Day, so we do have our pictures today. Please be mindful that we'll have people in the hallway going back and forth to take pictures. The character education theme for this month is respect. Our quote comes to us from the ancient philosopher Confucius. Respect yourself and others will respect you. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope that you choose to make it a terrific Tuesday.